for over 800 years. What if I told you this giant olive tree has been standing for over 800 years, making history and thriving through time? Located in Anglicidus, this ancient olive tree is a living legend, having survived centuries as a true symbol of strength and nature's power. Just like this tree, we bring life, care, and timeless beauty to every garden we touch. Let's create something beautiful together. DM us to transform your garden today.